we're looking at Baidu here on the weekly chart. You can see we ended 88.66, down around a buck 62 from yesterday's trading session. We're kind of in between this 87.55 and this 91.67 level in here. That's going to be our first supports and resistances we're going to be looking at. Anything above that 91.67, we're going to look at this top of this wedge right here. That trend line's trading right around that 94 area, 94 to 95. Anything above that, we're going to be working our way to this 96.54. And then above there, we're looking at that $100 psych level. Now, for supports wise, we mentioned that 87.55. Below that, you have this 9-day EMA in here, which may save us at the 86. You also have a little hiccup right here at the 83s, but really 80.44 is what we are looking at in here for our major support. Now, if we go to the daily chart, you can see exactly where all the volatility was. You can see this past week kind of up and down, right? We have a gap in here we need to fill at that $90 level. So that's going to be something that we need to watch here on the daily chart to see if we're going to pop. But you can see we are below that 200-day moving average. So that is going to be something that we're going to need to be aware of. Not only just this gap fill, but that we need to break and hold this 200-day moving average. So we were above it here for about a couple days. And then today, obviously, had that low to high in here, about a $1.50 move in here, $1.62, basically down from where we were. And then now we are below that 200-day moving average. So that is going to be something that we need to be aware of as we are trading this. Low volume in here the past 2 days compared to Monday. So we have to see exactly if that volume is going to pick up. RSI, nothing to worry about in here on the daily chart and nothing to worry about on the weekly chart as well. Implied volatility rank in here is at 8. So low volatility in here compared to itself, right around a $1.50 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, everybody's pricing in right around a $4 expected move. You go all the way out to your August monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around a $7 expected move. So we'll see how this reacts with the overall markets in here. And then we'll see what kind of moves we get, see if we get any outlier implied volatility kicked in here. But until then, we're just going to keep on playing that $2 move that we have by this week, and then the $4 move until next week's expiration. So we'll see how we end the week in here in Baidu. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.